And just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Now, this is my 2008 Bugatti Veyron. It's worth about $1 million. There's only 450 in the world, and there's only one in the state of Utah. And you're looking at it right now. The problem with this car, though, it's stuck in my garage because it won't go into reverse. Now, the other day I was trying to drive the Veyron. I tried pulling out of the garage, and for no reason whatsoever, it wouldn't engage reverse. Never happened before. I've owned the car for 2 years now. So here on the shifter, we go over to the left and down. It will not engage reverse. Like, it's not engaging. That being said, it'll engage drive though. I go over to the right, engages drive. It's just reverse won't work. It's stuck in the garage. Now, not only will the Veyron not engage reverse, you'll also note that the rear passenger tire is flat. It is completely flat. Now, I can't quite remember if I mentioned this. The car won't go into reverse. Well, we found the culprit, a common hex screw. I realize it's not a safe place to patch. That being said, we are gonna patch it. So timing-wise, reverse happened the same time we got the flat tire. These Veyrons are super smart. There's an outside chance it might be correlated. It's worth a shot because patching a tire is way cheaper. Shipping the car to San Diego is gonna be about $4,000 at minimum just to get the car there and back. Now, in the last video, everybody was pointing out my muffin top and my scrawny little arm, so check this out. It's a 355 tire, all on the wings. No big deal. Literally, no big deal. Now, let's just say hypothetically, fixing this flat tire does not fix reverse, which, let's be honest, probably not going to. That means we gotta ship the car off to Bugatti of San Diego. Then they gotta diagnose it. You guys know the oil change on my Veyron was $21,000. That's an oil change. If for some reason the Veyron needs a new transmission, what is that gonna be? Is that gonna be $100,000? It might be $200,000. Either or. On that bombshell, today's video has been sponsored by What 3 Words. Now, I've started using What 3 Words in my day-to-day life because you guys know specific addresses don't always point to a precise location. What 3 Words, they've subdivided Earth into 3 meter by 3 meter squares, so for us Americans, 10 foot by 10 foot squares, and they've given each square a unique 3-word address. Now, the words are randomly assigned, but they'll never change. This makes it super easy to share and navigate to a precise location with just 3 words. Now, let me show you guys the power of What 3 Words. I'm trying to sell my Lamborghini Urus. I'm trying to sell my Porsche Safari. So my buddy Nate is an amazing photographer, and there's this really cool location up in the mountains where he's gonna take some photos of the Urus. Now, I live in Salt Lake City. He lives down in Provo, which is about 40 miles from here. So I'm gonna send him the What 3 Words address. Now, this parking lot we're shooting the car at is super random, way up in the mountains. There's no conventional address, but you can see the 3-word Pitts Desk Rulers. I'm gonna go here to share. I'm gonna scroll over to Naderade, and he now knows exactly where to go. Now, the What 3 Words app is so easy. We're gonna hit Navigate, Apple Maps, directions to Pitts Desk Rulers, and it is gonna be 33 minutes and 21 miles. Hit go right there. Cold start up, Lamborghini Urus. And 25 minutes later, we have arrived to Pitts Desk Rulers. Too easy. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, on time every time, Mr. Naderade. And yes, if you were wondering, it is indeed a straight pipe car. Well, the Pitts Desk Rulers, you made it. You made it. Now, this is just another example of why I love using What 3 Words in my day-to-day life. We're in this random parking lot in the absolute middle of nowhere. There's no conventional address for this exact location. I just sent Nate the What 3 Words. There was no additional directions needed. He arrived right on time. It's so easy. Think about your day-to-day life. Maybe you're going to a car show. There's 300 cars in a massive parking lot. You send your buddies the What 3 Words, and you all end up in the same 10 by 10 foot square. And check this out, guys. What 3 Words is gonna be integrated in a bunch of future cars that you guys know and love, including newer Lamborghinis. Now, it doesn't mean you have to own a Lamborghini to use What 3 Words. All you gotta do is check out the link in the description below to download What 3 Words today. I don't even know where to begin on this smart car. He's got Scotch tape holding up the front bumper, and you still have pink vinyl, by the way. You traitor! How could you unwrap this thing?
Well, you see, I got a cease and desist in the mail.
from TheStradman Incorporated. Yeah. Good job, Luke. That's what actually Luke does. Luke doesn't hold the camera. He does my paperwork. He's great with the filing. And from the Urus to the Ram TRX. I'm just not as young and spry as I used to be. Good thing we have the old man handlebar. So I did a quick Google search on Bugatti Veyron transmission, and I came up with $200,000. Now, bear in mind, that was just a Google search. I don't know if that's actually accurate. That wide body Urus looks so incredibly cool. For $200,000, you could buy a Bronco and a Supra, a wide body Supra, on factory wheels. So I want to get it on camera. You just promised me off camera that fixing that flat tire will fix reverse on the Veyron.
Oh, 100%.
100%, baby. Right, Luke? I'm confident. How many guys does it take to patch a tire? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, wait, no. There's 4 idiots watching and 1 person. Yeah, we're supervising. That's right.
Yeah.
Honestly, that's what you do. You're a supervisor. Is that
just,
actually your job description? Is that your title?
Don't ask questions I don't know the answers to.
Look at the size of this nail right here. That is absolutely absurd. You can also see all the damage it did to the sidewall. That is no joke. Goodness. So this is what 1 tire on the Veyron costs, $1,136.20. And these are the aftermarket tires. You guys might know the OEM tires are $38,000. And we already have a screw in one of those tires, and it's currently sitting in my warehouse, and I can't afford to fix it. What is going on? I look away for 3 seconds. You don't know what you're doing right now.
Yeah, I do.
Luke didn't. Wow. Actually, now that I think about it, you did drive this car last.
I did.
You broke the diffuser on the Aventador Roadster.
No, but look, it says right there, Luke didn't do it.
Oh, okay. Can you confirm or deny he didn't do it?
Last person I saw driving it was Luke, and he was getting out of it because it wouldn't go into reverse.
That's exactly true.
Now, Chad, can you confirm with 100% certainty that I can drive this 250 miles an hour? No. Okay. Now let it be known that Envision's official statement is no liability whatsoever. This is purely for scientific reasons, okay? So we realize it's maybe not the safest place to patch. We just want to figure out, I've already said this a million times, you know what I'm going to say, if reverse works. Sometimes I'm living my life and I'm filming these dumb videos and I just think to myself, what are the chances that somebody at Bugatti Corporate is watching this video and rolling their eyes? I'm sorry. I am who I am. Never mind, it just is what it is. We've finally reached that moment of truth. Luke is torquing down the wheels. The Veyron definitely will start. Will it go into reverse? Please, 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 please. This has such a big impact on the future because like I was saying, a transmission for one of these cars is like a small mortgage. Now, I don't expect it to work immediately. We have the TPMS light, which is now flashing red. That's not good. Come on, baby. Come on, work with me. Now, the TPMS light right there is still red. Moment of truth. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, we're good. We got it, baby. We got it.
Why did that work?
That's right. Why wouldn't it work?
Why would it work?
Because I'm a genius. I told you guys it was gonna work.
You're a special kind of genius. That makes no sense.
Also, look at your forehead, Dan. That is unbelievable. Hey, get back here. Get back here. Dude, we're back, baby. Am I good to reverse? There's nothing behind me, right?
Why is it working?
Dude, unbelievable. That's how we do it. Yeah. All we do is win, baby. It is so hard to convey to you guys how excited I am. I legit have goosebumps right now because I just saved like $100,000. It worked, baby. It worked. Unbelievable.
I'm still confused.
It doesn't make any sense, but it works. We're back, baby. Okay, so I guess we'll go get lunch. You know, I think the funniest thing about today's video is I'm always whining and complaining about getting all these screws in all my cars, and yet every single day I show up to construction sites and we wonder where it came from. Now, 100% full disclosure, we haven't been to the house in a couple days. There might be no updates, there might be a ton of updates. I come to the house basically every single day. Obviously the dedicated house updates, I kind of sort of know what's been done. Whereas a video like today that's not really dedicated, we'll just kind of sort of see. This garage just continues to get cooler and cooler and cooler. Like from every single angle, it just gets better. So they're obviously doing the mud right now, which means paint is coming very, very soon. Look at this place. This is so wicked. Now, I went back and forth so many times on these exposed beams, whether we cover them up or whether we don't. I'm so glad they're exposed. Now, we are going to be painting them black here soon. We also have the HVAC system that's also going to be fully exposed. That tubing is going to run the entire length of that wall. I want the garage to kind of have like a cool industrial feel. We're going to have the mezzanine made out of metal here soon as well. That's going to be fully exposed. This garage is such a cool perspective. We're trying to figure out the flooring option. We could go with like a polished concrete. We could do a porcelain tile, a standard tile. Also with the walls, like, do we come up with some kind of accent wall? I don't know, what do you guys think? It's like Christmas morning here at the house. Check this baby out, future Strad wife. Got her own sink. What?
If you want to be a Strad wife, you do the dishes. That's
okay, that's
a great prospect.
That is not what I meant, okay? I will do the dishes. I'm just saying, like, she's gonna love this kitchen. Look at that. That's stainless steel, like, that's the real deal. Now, we also got glass for the front door. This thing turned out so well. This is one of the coolest front doors ever. Look at that thing. That thing is so sick.
Let me guess, she gets to clean this too?
What do you know?
Hey,
you're trying to ruin my dating life. No, future Strad wife does not have to clean the house. If she wants to, she's obviously more than welcome to. I can clean glass.
You should just hire a maid. That'd be much better.
Not a bad idea. What do you think, Luke? You want to drive?
Nope.
No,
Hard pass.
Wow, okay, so now we have a cameraman who can't hold a camera, and we have a professional driver who's too scared to drive my cars. I get it. The real question, will it go into reverse right now? I'd say it's 50-50. Come on, baby. Work with me. Work with me. Boom, too easy, way too easy. Now, oddly enough, the TPMS light is still on and it's red. Obviously the flat tire has been fixed. Reverse functions as designed, so I'm assuming that'll turn off maybe in 100 miles or so. Well, Luke thought the day was over. The day's not over. You're excited.
Ah, dude, it's
no,
it's
5 o'clock, baby. It's 5 o'clock. We're working overtime today. We are unwrapping the Veyron right now. You know, it's the craziest thing. I start unwrapping the car. Luke turns into a ghost. I don't know what happened to him. Like, he's been inside for like a half an hour. It's like he knows. Well, it's about time. Where have you been, Luke? It's not Christmas morning. What are you doing?
Look at this.
Oh gosh, you see, I got you a Bugatti. That's right, ladies and gentlemen, we have officially added a second Bugatti to the collection. This thing is no joke. Look at that, maximum speed, 18.6 miles per hour. Battery range is 20 to 25 miles per hour. The real question is how many boxes is it gonna be? We have the original box, the second box, and now we have the third box. Don't break it, Luke.
Look how nice.
Oh, that's sick. What? That's so dope.
All right, dude, see you later.
All right, yep. That's your paycheck for July. I turn around and I see Luke. Are you kidding me, bro?
Oh, join the club. This one goes in reverse.
If you guys don't know, this is Luke's AMG boy, aka Bugatti boy. I love how this entire video is now us unboxing a scooter. We have another box inside of a box, inside of a box, inside of a box. Bugatti electric scooter, a work of art created and engineered to deliver a new wave of mobility. You're a part of the transit revolution, bro. Wow. That's you. Ooh. That thing is sick. All right, so you're gonna put this together and I'm gonna unwrap the Veyron.
No problem.
I don't know what sequence of events led to this. In one of the most surprising sequences in a vlog ever, well, that's not surprising, the Veyron, like, look how much we have unwrapped in about 45 minutes. It has come together. Obviously, still got the front end. I love this original color combination with like the light silver and the dark gray. And then there's Luke. Don't kill yourself, bro. Who's gonna hold the camera? Is that joke old? Absolutely not. Car looks amazing. I'm a natural at this. This is no big deal. This is so sketchy with one hand though. That right there, 14. Come on, baby. Come on, airflow, 15 miles an hour. You know, it's the absolute craziest thing. We want to finish unwrapping the car, but I don't know if you guys can see, Typhoon number 53 is just sitting on Utah right now. It is so windy. It is gonna start dumping rain right now. Look, let's see those brake lights. I want to see the brake lights. That is so sick. Dude, there's a Bugatti. We got 2 Bugattis and on that bombshell. Yep, today's video, it's over. Now, the average Bugatti technician goes through decades and decades of training. As far as my service history and my resume, I once fixed a fuel pump in an Audi TT on the side of the road. All right, righty loosey, lefty tighty, is that what it is, Luke?
Goodness.